This is a final video to fix stuttering in Titan Quest 2, and it's simpler than you think. Are you tired of your game freezing or lagging while exploring? Many players face this problem because the game struggles to handle high settings or outdated drivers. You might have seen other tutorials on YouTube or social media, but they are complicated, full of long steps, and often don't work. On Rexish, I found a secret trick that makes your game run smooth without hours of tweaking. It takes just a few clicks, and your stuttering can disappear. This method fixes the main cause behind the lag, and helps Titan Quest 2 run like new. If you want to show a full step-by-step guide that anyone can follow, comment below. I'll make it easy so you can play without interruptions. Stay tuned with Rexish, and your game will never stutter again.